Integrity Conference is back and in person. Trinity Baptist Church presents Integrity Conference 2023 with the theme, The Word. The dates are Monday 29th of May to Sunday 4th of June at 7 p.m. each night. That's right, this year we are hosting a session every evening including Saturday. This is a conference you do not want to miss. With guest speakers Pastor Matthew Ashimolo, Pastor Joe Norton and Pastor Paul Norton. And to crown the conference, we have a celebration evening with none other than the multi-award-winning artist Diana Hamilton and many more. Hosted by our very own Pastor Kingsley Appiaje. Join us as we delve into the Word. This is a conference you do not want to miss.